Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you PayPal app how to add credit card. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to add a credit card in your PayPal, what you need to do is open up your PayPal application or open up your PayPal or browse on your browser. Then once you're inside, be sure to be logged into your account. Then once logged in, tap on the three horizontal bar on the top left corner of the screen and then simply select wallet option. Then once you select the wallet, here what you do is you'll find the option that says link a card. Simply tap on that, and now what you need to do is only enter in your card details like card number, expiration date, security code, CVV, billing address, and then simply tap on link card. Then PayPal may ask you to confirm the card by small temporary charge, which is refunded after verification. Then simply check your card statement for a 4-digit PayPal code. Then simply go back to the wallet and select card and enter the code to confirm. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.